Hello, my name's Xander, and this is day 28 of your 30-day yoga journey. Start here. To begin today's practice, place your feet hips-width distance apart, lift your toes up, and root down into the earth beneath you. Roll your shoulder blades up and down your back, and then have a deep breath in. Audible exhale, release. Long inhale, fill up. Audible release. And then bring one hand to your heart, one to your belly. And we'll move into a two-part inhale and a long exhale. When you're ready, fill your lungs and belly with air. Sip in a bit more. Audible exhale. Long inhale. Sip in more. Exhale, release. One last time here, long breath in. Sip in more and hold at the top. Audible exhale, release. Step your feet out wide, toes pointed forward. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Look up, reach. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, sweep your arms out wide, reaching almost into a star here, taking up as much space as you can. Then exhale, lower your arms down. We'll do that again. Inhale, raise your arms out, up into a star. Exhale, release down into a T. From here, turn your right toes forward and bend your right knee any amount. Reach your right fingertips forward, warrior two. You might send right fingertips forward, left fingertips back, create some space here, and then move through center, toes pointed forward. Keep your arms stretched here, create distance, and then turn left toes forward. Right toes can go at an angle. Bend your left knee any amount. Reach forward, lift left fingertips back with right. Create some distance. Just opening up here, and then move back through center. Toes point forward, lower your arms. Have a breath in and a breath out. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, and then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. You might bring your hands to hips here. Elbows point to the sky. Create some distance. Exhale, fold, elbows point up. Slight bend in your knees, and then inhale, rise bit by bit, and come to stand. Turn your right toes out again once more, left toes angled forward and bend into your right knee. Sweep your arms out into warrior two. Right fingertips go forward, flip your right palm, and then reverse warrior. Breathe into your side body. Exhale, bring your right forearm to right thigh and lift your left arm up, side angle. And then lower your hands down. Work your way back through center. Forward fold. Let go of your head and neck. Inhale, begin to rise. Sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, hands to heart. Turn your left toes forward. Right toes angled. And then bend your left knee. Sweep your arms out into warrior two. Left fingertips go forward, flip your palm. Breathe into your side body, reverse warrior. Place your left forearm on top of left thigh, reach your right arm up, side angle. And then carefully lower your hands down to the inside of left foot. Work your way back through center. Inhale, rise, and step your feet together. Draw your hands to heart center. I'm so glad that we could practice together today. Thank you, and that is class.